In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up auto renewal for your domain in Hostinger's hPanel. This is a crucial step to ensure that you never lose your domain due to an oversight or forgetfulness. By the end of this guide, you'll have peace of mind knowing your domain is secure and set to renew automatically each year. Let's begin by logging into your Hostinger hPanel. Open your web browser and navigate to the Hostinger website. Once there, you'll see the login option typically at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials, your email address, and password, and then hit the login button. Upon successful login, you will find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard where you can control all your web hosting settings and options. Next, we need to direct our attention to the Domains section. On the top menu bar, you'll spot Domains right there. Clicking on it will present you with a drop-down menu. From that, choose My Domains. This selection takes you to a page listing all the domains you currently manage through Hostinger. Now locate the specific domain you want to set for auto renewal. If you have multiple domains, they'll all be listed here, so take a moment to ensure you select the correct one. Finding your domain, click on it to access its settings and management options. Once you're in your domain's individual page, look for the auto renewal setting. You might find it labeled as Auto Renew or something very similar, depending on Hostinger's most current interface design. Toggle this setting on. By turning on the Auto Renew feature, you enable Hostinger to automatically renew your domain when it expires using your payment method on file. This setting is a real lifesaver, especially if you're managing multiple domains or don't want to worry about renewal dates. After you've enabled auto renewal, it's essential to confirm that your payment details are up to date. This ensures there's no interruption to your service due to payment issues. Head over to the billing or payment settings in Hostinger to review your payment information. Double check that everything is correct. Your credit card details or any other payment method you have established must be current and valid. An up-to-date payment method is key to a successful, uninterrupted renewal. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've ensured your domain will renew automatically, keeping it secure and active without you having to lift a finger come renewal time. It's always good practice to periodically check all your settings to avoid any unexpected surprises. Thank you for following along, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to enhance your web hosting experience.